Quantity of 4 stowaways in a bundle. 621 adjustable compartments. 11 inches by 7.25 inches by 1.75 inches. Prolatch locking system. Clear cover allows you to see what is inside. Top reviews from the United States. Dividers stay in place. These are perfect for beads and findings. They come with all the dividers too, so there's no need to order more. All the dividers stay in place, none of them are loose or fall out easily. This is ideal when you are trying to get out what you put in the compartments. I have many other bead boxes I have this problem with. All the dividers come attached, so I had to use my jewelry nippers to get them apart. The lid is flush with the top of the dividers, so all your items stay in their compartment if the box gets turned upside down with the lid attached. The boxes stack nicely. I like that they are clear enough that you can see what's inside without opening the lid. The hinges to secure the lid close are maybe a little too tight, they are difficult to open and close. Overall, these are great quality boxes and worth the money.